Hey, what's up? My name is Tara, and today I'm going to show you how to do this cute beach nail design with this starfish on it. So first of all, if you like nail art, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. The first thing that I did was I painted this nail light blue, and then I went in and put a coat of dark blue nail polish on top, and then I put the light blue again on the bottom. So I took an ombre brush, which it's not necessarily going to be an ombre. It's going to be swirled and the colors are going to be mixed together, so it kind of looks like the ocean, how the ocean is different colors. You can mix this as much as you want until you feel that you're getting the desired effect that you're going for. Now you can see my nail here, what it looks like after I swirled those two colors together. Next, I took some white and I put it on my palette along with some clear. And then what I'm going to do with those two colors is I'm going to mix the white into it just so it's a little bit milky. So I cleaned my ombre brush off and I'm using my ombre brush again. You could use any brush to apply this. It doesn't really matter. You just want to get a nice consistency here on top of the nail with this milky white color. I'm making it decently heavy so the effect that I'm going to do next will be able to show up. Now I'm adding more clear to my palette and I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm adding these dots onto my nail, which by the way, I didn't cure yet. I didn't cure it so that milky color can expand. You can see here when I'm making these little dots, which is like our bubbles for the ocean, you can see them expanding and it's whiter around each bubble that I'm making. So now I'm adding my brown so I can do my sand. If you want to outline where you want your sand to be first, you can, but you don't have to do that. You can also just go in with your regular polish brush and start painting the way that you want your beach to look. After I have that done and cured to my liking, I'm going to add my glitter, which the glitter is going to be the sand for the beach. Next, I'm taking my white and I'm adding a little bit more on my coastline for my ocean. First, I'm adding my white and then I'm going back in and I'm dipping the brush into the clear color to add more of a foamy effect to it, but I want it to be mostly white and that's why I'm adding just the white first and not the milky color that I already have mixed up on my palette. Next, I'm going to be drawing my starfish, so I'm adding my two pink colors. I'm just using a small detail brush to draw my starfish. If you wanted to use a dotting tool, you could. My brush is so fine that I'm just taking little dots with my brush and then I'm connecting them and drawing them in together to create my little starfish. Now, just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't think a starfish has to be perfectly aligned. So if your lines are a little bit wavy, maybe he's just moving, right? You know? After that, I'm going in with my other pink color and I'm making little dots on top of my starfish after he is cured and I'm adding the details. Then you just have to add your top coat and you're done. I like the way this turned out. I think it is super cute. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you learned a new art technique today, please give this video a thumbs up and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.